Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will take the Henendoing charcoal production line as an example to show you a complete charcoal production line, so that you can clearly understand the machines involved and their respective functions. Let's start from the very beginning. First up, the crusher. Raw materials come in all shapes and sizes. Larger raw materials, such as wood, coconut shells, palm kernels, and other agricultural waste, are more efficiently carbonized when they are in uniform size. That's where the crusher comes in. It breaks down oversized materials into smaller, consistent pieces. For materials that are already too small, like sawdust, you might need a briquetting or pelletizing machine to form them into usable sizes. Properly sized material means better carbonization and higher quality charcoal. Next comes the dryer. Once the material is processed to the appropriate size, moisture content becomes the next challenge. Fresh biomass typically contains high levels of moisture, sometimes exceeding 50%. Feeding damp material into the carbonization furnace wastes energy and slows down the entire production process. A dryer solves this problem by reducing the moisture content to an ideal level, typically below 15%. This step isn't always necessary if your material is already dried, but it significantly improves efficiency for most agricultural waste. Now we get to the heart of the operation, the carbonization furnace. The real transformation takes place here. Prepared materials are fed into the carbonization furnace and heated in an oxygen-deficient environment. Furthermore, precise control of temperature and atmosphere ensures consistently high-quality charcoal production. Doing offers a variety of carbonization furnaces: batch, semi-continuous, and fully continuous, designed to meet different production scales and automation needs. And then, the water-cooled discharge machine. Fresh charcoal leaves the furnace at extremely high temperature. Hot charcoal is dangerous. It can ignite when exposed to air. That's why the water-cooled discharge machine is so important. This sealed system cools the charcoal down safely using circulating water. When the charcoal is transported out, its temperature is low enough to allow it to be handled, packaged, and stored without the risk of spontaneous combustion. Finally, let's look at a value-adding optional piece: the charcoal briquetting machine. It compresses charcoal powder and fines into uniform, high-density shapes like sticks, pillows, or ovals, often without binders. These briquettes burn longer, produce less ash, and are ideal for BBQ, shisha, or industrial use. Though it's not a mandatory step, adding a briquette machine can significantly expand your product range and increase profitability. These are the key pieces of equipment for a complete charcoal production line. Each piece of equipment plays a specific role, working together to create a smooth, efficient, and profitable production process. If you're planning to set up a line or upgrade your current one, what would be your biggest challenge? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into biomass to charcoal processing equipment. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.